YouTube, well, this is a fresh cut. This is obviously a fresh cut, but it's something special about Michael right here, alright? He came from London, North London, to get a cut, alright? Tutna?
Yeah.
UK. Come on. Is there any social media we can follow you on?
Do you know, I have got none.
You have none? No, don't do this to me.
I'm sorry. I can set some up and pass it over by the moment. No.
Hey, this my boy Michael. Hold on, we gotta be in this together. Hold on now. This my boy Michael. He came from London, man. Hold on, wait. Can I get it to focus? Okay, it's my hat. Okay, hold on. London, listen. UK, Michael. Jeezy, Michael, okay, we in this thing, all the way from London. This has to be the furthest that somebody ever, okay, in the history of Velocity Cuts being open. This is the first right here, okay, Michael, okay. If you had some type of social media, you know they will be following you, right?
Jeezy, trust, I will set one up tonight. And I will come back, and there will be a part 2 to this video.
Right. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Shout out to Michael for coming from the UK. We out. Yeah. To start this haircut off, I'm going to be sectioning off the top, pinning the top up, trying to set my part as neat as possible, all the way around my client's head. He wants a taper fade, so that's like a small taper and a 3 on the side. So what I'm doing right now, like I said, I'm pinning up the top, separating the top from the bottom, and I'm going to be taking off the entire sides to a number 3. So right now, using my 3-guard open with my wall cordless seniors, I'm just taking off all the bulk on the sides. So starting off the taper, I'm going to be setting in my bald line using my Andis Slimline Pro Li. You guys are going to notice that I'm setting it in a triangle like shape. That's because I like my result to kind of be in a burst kind of round like shape. So that's the reason why you kind of always see me set my guidelines like this. So now with the lever open, using my wall cordless seniors, I'm gonna set my guideline about 1 inch, and I'm gonna do it kind of around that triangle like shape. The reason why I want this to look like this is because it adds another type of style to your taper instead of doing the same basic taper that everybody else has. With the one guard open, I'm setting my guideline about 1 inch. And to recap on what I was talking about, the reason why I do these tapers this way is because I want people to say, oh my God, who does your taper? You know what I mean? I don't want it to look like everybody else's. So that's the reason why I love doing these style of tapers. With the 2 guard open, I'm gonna, just try to blend it as much as I can into that 3. I'm not necessarily setting in a guideline. I'm just trying to take off as much bulk to be able to blend in together. So with my 0 guard closed in a flick out motion, I'm flicking out that middle line. Now, I know that there's still a lot of inconsistency at the top, but I'm going to take care of that when I do my detailing. So with the lever closed in a flick out motion, using my corners as much as possible, I'm going to flick out that bottom line. So this is where I do my detail work. I've got my 1 guard on, using my corners as much as possible, cleaning up those inconsistent areas. So as far as the back, it's the same exact steps. Sometimes I might, bring my guidelines up a little wider, but for the most part it's the same steps. So I'm going to speed this part up. So right now I'm just saturating my client's hair with water, and I'm gonna do some shear work, take it down to curl length, and I'm gonna speed it up. So right now I'm taking my duck clips out, and I'm going to saturate my client's hair with water and put some Johnny B mold just to try to get my client's hair to curl as much as possible. Right now I'm using my blow dryer, and it has this extra nozzle piece on it so it won't disrupt the curls. My client is really trying to get curls at the top, even though his texture is not, I would say it's not really curly like that, but I'm trying to make it curl as much as possible. So I'm just using my blow dryer. This nozzle on it basically is like a blow dryer, so it won't disrupt the curls. So YouTube, this is the cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you guys want to know where you could get any tools that you see me use in this video, please check out the link in the description below. Otherwise, it's your boy 360 Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Cheers!